everyone, our greatest BFF, and we are on our way to Galena. Woo! And Mary just got on the highway. So we are on the highway. She just killed this merging game that she's never done before. Shh, don't tell her mom. She did really good. Miss Jill is keeping us updated, and we are doing good. We'll keep you guys updated on our adventures. Mary, you're doing great. Good job. Woo! So a little weather update is a little rainy, but you know, it's perfect. There's no one on the road, so we're fine. And yeah, I think we're past Rockford almost, right? Are we almost past Rockford?
Yes.
Nicole, you having fun?
Yes. Woo, Galena, here we come.
Look at all our stuff. Lots of stuff.
Yes. Lots of food.
Yes, we have lots. We will not starve on this trip. All right. Woo! I think we learned these dance moves, right?
Yeah, we did.
Killing it, and I am free, I am proof, I make no apologies, this is me, oh, 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 we'll see you soon.
That's pretty cool.
We are at halfway point. Mary, how do you feel?
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm a little,
Nicole?
I need to regroup myself. Stretching out here.
Yeah, I know, me too. We're at the wonderful, iconic McDonald's. I guess it's iconic on the Garrowback trip, is it?
We always stop here. Tradition.
Yes, it's looking good. Woo! Singing in the shower. La-da-dee, la-da-da, la-da-da. Singing in the shower. Passing Main Street, getting into a little small town.
We're in Stockton. We're almost there.
We're on Route 20 still, same one that's in Bartlett, Illinois.
30 minutes left.
Woo! We have a little bit left, and we're getting off this road soon.
2 miles.
Woo! Oh, a high school. High school.
How small it is.
Wow, that's their high school?
Yeah.
It's tiny. It's the best part. Look at all these hills.
Turn right onto South Canyon Park Road.
We just went on this really big hill. We're kind of still going down it. Mary's ears are finally popping.
My ears are popping.
Oh.
My favorite song came out.
Ah! I love this
So
song.
good. Highly recommended. Check for a band.
Is this Zach Brown band? Oh.
You know I'm a chicken fry.
Cold beer on a Friday night.
A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio on. Homemade wine.
There's a trucker.
What? A person! A tractor! I feel like we're back in South Elgin.
But feeling love is grown in southern ground.
Hello, sir! Little bit of chicken fry. Cold beer, hello!
A pair of jeans that
Just it just right. And the radio, oh, got the blue skies. More than a woman's eyes. Sand peaches, red shirts dry. And the radio,
Life is a highway.
life is a highway, and we are on a highway. Oh, here comes a car. Look at all these pretty trees. Nicole, how you feeling?
Feeling great.
Woo!
22 minutes.
Yeah! Woo! Let's see if I can see out. Look at us. We're on this little mini road. Just like a highway. Life? Where's my little... Life is a highway. Thank you, Rascal Flatts, for this wonderful song. It's so farmy out
Take a
here.
slight right turn onto North Scout
Very
Camp
fun. I
Road.
definitely think we went in the back way.
Whoa, can I open my window real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow, look at this beautiful way. I wanna ride it all night long. Yeah. You want it my way. I wanna drive it all night long. to start a fire. Whose ears are popping? Anyone's? No ears popping yet?
Mine are good.
Good. Okay, good. I know, mine are pretty good too. I know that candy to do once ago. 10 minutes. Woo! To forget. But I'm someday. I'm trying hard to take it back. So I found down. And the bar closes. And it feels like falling down. I'm Terry, you home tonight. We are young, so I set the world on fire, and we can go brighter as the sun tonight. We are young. So I set the world on fire, and we can go brighter by the sun. Everyone, this is one of my favorite songs ever. As we're coming up to the house almost, we're less than a mile away.
I don't think I ever heard this.
Really? It's the American Idol commercial. It's so inspirational. It makes me so happy. I just wanna be somebody. Either do I. I like the commercial. I just wanna be somebody.
I just don't like the judges.
You sure it's
In half a
focused?
mile,
Oh, no.
turn left onto
Yeah.
Susquehanna Road.
Susquehanna. Nicole, say Susquehanna.
What to what?
Susquehanna.
Susquehanna?
Susquehanna. Wait.
Oh, Susquehanna Road.
Susquehanna. Susquehanna.
Susquehanna?
Susquehanna? Is that the road they live on?
No, they live like on a road like right off it. Susquehanna.
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 Somebody with someone else. I know, right? I wanna be somebody to someone. And then the sun starts setting, the sun's all gone. Oh! The GPS is turned off. Susquehanna! Woo! Be somebody to someone. Someone to you. Someone to. Good job, Mary! We're here! Woo! Which one's their house? Wow! Mary, that's so pretty! Oh my gosh! Look at this gorgeous house! What the heck? Woo! Yes, Galena! Yay! Woo! Oh! We made it!
Wait, what does it say? Something in John's Castle?
Whoa! Okay, people, we're here! Woo! Everyone! Woo! We made it!
We're downtown Galena now.
We go in here real quick?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going into a store.
Fine.
Wow, Taylor.
Or? Oops. See.
Sporting the new look.
Yeah.
Look what we wrote on the wall. Oh, so cute.
It's very cool in here. I got my first PuraVida.
PuraVida girls for life.
What'd you find?
That's so cute.
We are back at the house now. Taylor.
Wait, can I show them off my cups?
Oh yeah.
Your cups.
I bought these for 50 cents. Woo! I'm gonna go bring this to my dorm. Or we could do the cup song, you know, like.
I got a ticket for the moment round. To basket for the way.
There will be more deals to come tomorrow when we go garage sailing.
Yes! Woo!
Into the closet Nicole goes. Taylor, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Thank you.
Got all your
No
stuff.
problem.
Woo! This is not mine.
What is that? Oh, I love that.
We're walking to go see President Grant's house.
We are.
We're gonna go up all those stairs right there.
I'm gonna count them all.
Up the hill. It's gonna be
How many
long
stairs
walk.
do you think it is?
What?
Stairs. How many stairs?
I don't know. What do you
Oh
think?
my god.
250.
175.
Wow.
175.
Mary, what do you think?
I don't know. I feel like it's.
How else were they wanting us to get here?
I don't know. Like
Oh, it's definitely not 250. I lost.
I'm guess
All right,
120.
let's
All right.
go.
We're going.
2, 3, 4.
68, 69, 60, 61, I
I
think.
meant to say
61.
Oh, I meant to say 62.
That was
All those stairs, guys.
That's a lot of stairs.
All right,
Definitely not 250.
we're going right over there. We made it to the top. Ooh. Got our selfie stick. There's
Are you ready, Taylor?
I'm ready.
Yes.
Ready to learn some history about
Go
Korea?
learn some history.
I
We're
don't
walking
think so
in.
either. Oh. I don't think I know what it was. I know.
This is a cliff.
I don't think. I think it'd be a little scary, but I
Very
think
pretty
I could do
view.
it at some point.
It'd be scary.
Nice little
I want to
area.
rope swing into a lake.
Oh, rope swing,
Yeah,
All right,
that'd be
going
fun.
back. Here we are at the waterfall.
We've been to Niagara Falls, and now we're at Niagara Falls. Before we were in Austria.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so clumsy.
We're just going around the world
the
today.
Mississippi River, right here. It's beautiful. It's very wide. This is the Grand Canyon.
Yes.
Look at that.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Where else are we
We're
at?
traveling the world this whole weekend on our girls trip 2018.
The waterfall. Very pretty. Here we are at the clubhouse, the pool.
I'm living life. I'm living.
Vacay.
Thriving.
She's thriving. Taylor's having a good day.
Here, Mary, let me hold this. You can get in it.
Okay.
Mary,
I can't
how are
flip
you
it though.
feeling?
I'm good.
That's good.
More than good. I'm great. You're wonderful. This
Yes.
trip has
Mary
been
got a tackle box
amazing.
today,
I did.
and she showed us a cliff, which
And
we
the
almost
tackle
fell
box
off of.
$3.
true.
$3 tackle box. Pretty good deal.
Yeah,
Yes.
that was a good deal.
We enter the pool. Thank you, Mary Gervac.
All right, let's go.
All right.
And then our
Keep
journey
everyone
begins.
updated. Can you turn this off? Okay.
Put my mouth open.
Hip panoramic of the pool. Okay. Everyone is sleeping. Oh shoot, you're up.
I heard you go.
It's okay. I looked up, the sun was going down, so that's why I looked up. I wanted to see if it was cloudy. There's Taylor. She's gonna go up down the slide. Yes, Taylor. Go. Nicole thoughts.
I give her a 10.
10 out of 10.
We just turned off of Susquehanna Road. Susquehanna.
We are on our way home. Very
Yeah.
sad.
You know, but we are on our way home. We all look very tired right now.
It was a great mini vacation.
It was.
Girls trip. Thanks, Mary.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, knock on wood, our song is called Road Trippin' right now.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Road tripping. So this is Mary's Papa is driving us out to make sure we get home safe. And yeah. All right. We'll update people as we go. Bye. Woo. Hey everybody. We are in Winnebago. Another funky name.
Gas stop.
Yes. We're at the Pilot. I guess yeah. They got in the Garovac iconic stopping point.
Yes.
McDonald's. So we are doing really good on time for the most part.
Hour 30 left to go.
Yes. Nicole is killing it as our backseat.
That head, we just got
Butthead. Yes, I got it. Here, wait, Nicole. Let's show them your hair. I did this. Jordan, if you're watching this, I did this. I think I'm pretty proud. And she got a compliment after even sleeping on it.
Yeah, that head.
Yes. Mary did not want her hair braided last night, but I would have done it
Another
for
day.
another day.
Taylor did a good
Yes.
job.
Yeah.
So, yes.
Time.
Till next time.
Oh, wait, no,
Woo.
that's later.
Mary, you can guess. She is does not know she's being filmed. Candid. Mary is putting her credit card in. Typing in her zip code in a second. Or is she confused? You can do this, Mary.
Oh, you have to hit debit or credit.
There,
You have to hit debit or credit. Oh, okay, now she's entering PIN.
Good job, Mary.
Where's my phone?
Mhm.
So here's a little update. There's Taylor, Mary over here,
Doing great.
and we are listening to, what is this?
So that's what I like it.
That's what I like.
Update on the weather, slightly rainy.
Cloudy.
It's cloudy and rainy.
Probably like an 80%.
We're almost home, about 34 minutes, and
66 degrees.
Yeah.
it's going really well.
Yeah.
We're
Fun
enjoying
fact.
our trip.
Can I tell them the fun fact
There's
of
a
the weather?
ton of food we have left.
Fun fact of the weather. When it says 80% chance, it actually means 80% of the area is going to get hit with rain.
Yes.
I feel like it's very interesting. Who would
Yeah.
know that?
Yeah, it's not 80% chance.
But 80%
Yeah,
of the
so
area.
80% of the area is covered with rain at this time. We will keep you posted.
Yes. Woo!
For long, enjoy your day.
Yes.
All right, so we're here, 2 minutes away from home. We are here. We made it. Woo!
Dropped off Taylor. She's home.
Yeah, safe and sound.
Yeah, or else she would be on the vlog too.
Our food is starting to go down, disappearing.
Yes.
Yeah, great trip. Thanks, Mary.
No problem.
Until next time, Girls Trip 2018 Galena. Woo!